Imagine discovering on a completely normal day that you are not normal at all, that you are actually a wizard. That is exactly where the magical journey of Harry Potter begins, and honestly, it is one of the reasons millions of people around the world fell in love with this story. Harry Potter, written by J.K. Rowling, tells the story of a boy who grows up living a very sad and ordinary life with his aunt, uncle, and cousin. They treat him badly, make him sleep in a cupboard under the stairs, and never celebrate his birthday. If you have ever felt ignored or underestimated, Harry's early life might feel strangely familiar. But everything changes when Harry turns 11 and receives a mysterious letter inviting him to a school called Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. At Hogwarts, Harry discovers that he is famous in the magical world, not because he did something great, but because he survived something terrible. As a baby, he survived an attack from the most dangerous dark wizard, Lord Voldemort. While most kids worry about homework and exams, Harry learns that he is connected to a powerful and dangerous past. One of the most beautiful parts of the Harry Potter story is friendship. At Hogwarts, Harry meets Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger. Ron is funny, loyal, and sometimes nervous, like that friend who is always ready to support you, but also panics during exams. Hermione is smart, brave, and hardworking, reminding us of that one class topper who also saves everyone during group projects. Together, they face challenges that even adults would be scared of. The story is not just about magic spells, flying broomsticks, or talking portraits. It is about choices. Throughout the series, Harry learns that who you choose to become matters more than where you come from. He faces jealousy, fear, loss, and pressure, just like people do in real life. The difference is that instead of dealing with school bullies, he deals with dark wizards and magical creatures. Another strong theme in the story is courage. Harry is not fearless. In fact, he is often scared. But he keeps moving forward anyway. That is what makes him relatable. Many people think heroes are those who never feel afraid, but Harry shows that real bravery means doing the right thing even when you are terrified. The character of Lord Voldemort adds deep emotional tension to the story. Voldemort represents the hunger for power and fear of death. He believes that power and control make someone strong. Harry, on the other hand, learns that love, loyalty, and sacrifice are far more powerful. This contrast gives the story emotional depth and keeps readers emotionally connected. The magical world created by J.K. Rowling feels incredibly real. From Hogwarts houses like Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff, to magical sports like Quidditch, the story builds a universe that feels alive. Readers often imagine which house they belong to, just like people compare themselves to personality types or zodiac signs in real life. As the story progresses, it grows darker and more emotional. Harry and his friends face serious challenges, personal losses, and dangerous battles. The series slowly moves from a fun magical school story to a deep tale about growing up, dealing with grief, and understanding responsibility. It shows how childhood innocence slowly changes into adult reality. One reason the Harry Potter series became so popular is because it connects with readers of all ages. Kids enjoy the magical adventure, teenagers connect with the emotional struggles, and adults relate to the deeper messages about love, sacrifice, and morality. It reminds people that imagination is powerful and that even ordinary people can do extraordinary things. In the end, Harry Potter is not just about magic, it is about hope. It teaches that friendship can make impossible challenges easier, love can defeat hatred, and courage can exist even in the most frightened hearts. It reminds us that sometimes the most powerful magic is simply choosing to stand up for what is right. And maybe that is why, even years after the books were released, the story still feels alive. Because deep down, everyone secretly wishes that one day, a mysterious letter might arrive, telling them they are meant for something magical,